weed harvesters, and dredge utility craft are engaged in cleaning work. Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena held a meeting with the Chief Secretary and ACS yesterday and directed to start the work immediately. Government should accept responsibility, demanding a high-level impartial inquiry. Professor Salim Engineer, Vice President of Jamaat-e-Islami Hind, said, "We urge the authorities to find out the reason for the stunt, fix accountability and check action against those responsible for the lapse in crowd management. The government should accept responsibility and take immediate steps to prevent such incidents in future." He stressed the need to prioritize safety measures during large public gatherings. Jitendra Manjhi come to the rescue. After the death of 80 people in the stampede at New Delhi railway station, the Congress party targeted the central government. Rahul Gandhi termed the incident as mismanagement and negligence and demanded an answer from the government. Union Minister Jitendra Manjhi has hit back on this. Rahul Gandhi is not a great pundit. He has never run a government, yet he is saying such things. So far, 52 crore people have come to Mahakumbh and the management is going on perfectly. If there was any other government, more accidents could have happened. The UP administration has done a good job. Biharis are reaching 80 countries for work. In 2019, 3,68,048 people from all over the country went abroad for work. Out of these, 55,423 people were from Bihar due to Corona. 94,145 people from all over the country went abroad in 2020. Out of these, 30,911 people from Bihar went abroad. In 2021, 1,32,673 people from the country went abroad, out of which 24,526 people were from Bihar. In 2022, the number of people going abroad increased. 3,29,699 people went abroad from the country, out of which 53,781 were from Bihar. Whereas will March this year, 7,417 people from Bihar have gone abroad. Immigration clearance is given before going abroad. The medical certificate and other documents of those who go abroad from Bihar for employment are being verified through the Protectors of Immigrants Office, an office of the Ministry of External Affairs located in Patna. BJP is tolerating Nitish Kumar due to fear of Lalu Yadav. Rashtriya Janata Dal's Rajya Sabha MP and Tejasvi Yadav's close aide Sanjay Yadav has given a big statement. He said that Bharatiya Janata Party is keeping Nitish Kumar with them only due to fear of Lalu Prasad Yadav. Otherwise, BJP would never have kept him with them. He said that it is the influence and sacrifice of Lalu Prasad Yadav that in every election except 2010, Rashtriya Janata Dal has reached to assembly by winning the maximum number of seats and has also formed the government. These two leaders from South are most discussed. This time there is a possibility of consensus on the name of a leader from South India for the new national president of BJP, because the party's focus is now on the southern states. Among the leaders from South India, the names of K. Annamalai and Dugubatai Purandeswari are most discussed in the race for the post of national president. Approval received for the construction of this airport in Bihar. Approval has been given for the construction of the much awaited airport in Bihta. The Airport Authority of India has issued a work order to a Russian company for this The Accountant General Office has raised objection on this financial injustice. Such a case is going on with Veer Kunwar Singh University, Patliputra University, Bihar University. Irregularities have been exposed in Lalit Narayan Mithila University, Kameshwar Singh Darbhanga Sanskrit University, Tilka Manjhi Bhagalpur University, B.N. Mandal University. PM Modi is going to give a big gift to the people of Bhagalpur, keeping in view the preparation for the Bihar Assembly election and the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on February 24. BJP has put all its strength in the Mahagathbandhan of farmers. The target has been set to gather 5 lakh people in the PM's program. The BJP leadership is trying to make Modi's Bhagalpur visit historical. Third, the Prime Minister is coming to give a 19th installment of Samman Nidhi to the farmers, but the target is far-reaching. Modi can announce Bihar's longest metro line from Bhagalpur to Bihapur at the Bhagalpur airport ground. AAP gets big success after defeat in Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party, which lost the Delhi Assembly election, has got a big success in Chhattisgarh. AAP has won the Boti municipality seat in Bilaspur district of Chhattisgarh. Here, AAP candidate Neelam Vijay Verma has hoisted the party's flag on the post of president. This is a big victory for AAP in BJP-ruled Chhattisgarh. AAP councillors have also won in 3 wards of Badri municipality. AAP has won 1 seat in Kusmi. Badri is the area of Chhattisgarh Assembly Speaker Dharmraj Kaushik. BJP has captured the post of mayor of Raipur Municipal Corporation after 50 years. Here, BJP candidates Minal Chaube won. BJP's Lotus bloomed in 2 municipalities and 6 Nagar Panchayats of Blood district. BJP candidate Sanjay Pandey has won the post of mayor in Jagdalpur. What does PM Modi like to eat? In response to an RTI in 2015, the information officer said that PM Modi likes Gujarati food. He eats food prepared by his cook Badri Meena. PM likes to eat millet bread and khichdi. In response to the RTI, the officer said that PM Modi bears the expense of his food himself. That means the government